Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In this video we are going to discuss about how you can add a new column to the data frame. So let's say you have one data frame, okay, and in that data frame you have some two columns, okay. One is ID and name. Now we are in a situation where you need to add one more column, let's say salary, okay. So I want to add one more column with the salary, and in that salary there should be some specific salary should be there, okay. Let's say 1000, okay. Now this type of functionality we need to achieve, and how we can do that, that is what we are going to learn today. So when we have a data frame and you want to add a new column to the existing data frame, we can use a method, we called it as a with column, okay. We can use with column. This is one methodology, that method we can use a with column, through which you can add a new column, okay. And apart from this, with column is also helpful. Let's say you have a salary called 1000, okay, and this year you think like, okay, I need to give some increment, okay, of 10%, okay. So you can do the multiply function also over here with the help of with column, so that the salary will be it will be 10,000. So on the existing value of the column, if you want to perform any kind of the operation, let's say multiply, adding, dividing, you can do that with the help of with column method. So we are going to see this thing practically. I have one Eclipse project, okay, where I have read one file. This is the file which I have read. This is a CSV file. Now if I just want to show you what exactly it is having the schema right now, so it's saying get CSV dot print schema. I'm just checking what schema it is having right now, and let me run this, save it and run it, and let me see the console. So if you see that these are the schemas are there. Now in this data frame schema we don't have the salary column available, and let's say I want to add a salary column also here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a method called with column. So I will do like this, get CSV, okay, dot with column, okay. What is the name of column? So it is asking for two arguments. So I'm saying that salary column I'm adding, and what will be the value of that salary column. So we need to specify the value of that column also. By default, what I'm doing now, I'm just calling one function called lead, okay, and I'm giving a value 10,000, okay, and save it. Now since you are adding a new column, it needs to return one more data frame. So we need to create a new data frame over here. So I'm just adding it over that, and give some name, get column. I'm just adding a column, okay. I have added that. Now if I just do get column dot print schema, if I want to check the whether that column has been added or not, I can do that. And after that I'm also going to print 10 records, get column dot show. So I will check whether that 10,000 salary has been added or not, and let me run this job. So previously we were not having the salary column, we just added it, we created, and we have given the value as 10,000 to that, okay. So here you can see, if I just scroll it little bit, you can see the new column has been added, salary, and the value of that salary column is 10,000. So this is the functionality of with column. Apart from this, if you want to perform some operation on the value of that column, we can also use the with column. So let me try to do that. What I'm doing, get column, COLU, get column dot with column, okay. Now it is asking the column name. Let me do that one more time, okay, and let me scroll it for you. So there are multiple commands are there, we can use that, okay. What is the column name that you want to modify? I want to modify salary, okay. The column name we need to specify here. So the column name is get column. First of all, data frame name. Okay, then we have dot call. Okay, in that we have a column name as salary. Okay, dot multiply or minus, let's do multiply. Okay, and by 200. Okay, 20 only, let's do that. And if I just see the result, okay, the result will go into the salary column. And let me put it into the another data frame, this one, get column multiply equals to. Okay, and I'm just printing this result, and that's it. What's the error message? Dataset row, the method get column let me try to do no. Oh my god, my mistake. So I just need to say this one, this. Okay, now this one I need to specify here. Okay, this is fine. Now what I did, I have created a column called salary. I have given the value as 10,000. Then I multiply with the help of with column only. Let me try to run this. Okay, we will see the result. So we should get something around 22 lakhs. Okay, so here you can see, okay, we have created a column called salary. Then we have given the 10,000 as a value initially, and then we multiplied it with the help of with column method only. So these are the good functionality that has been provided with the help of with column. Okay, thank you so much. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe and share this channel. Bye bye.